This elephant looks great in any color. You can use traditional gray, but I like this purple one the best. For this project, you will need 7 pipe cleaners of the same color, a pencil, a large marker, something with a very skinny handle such as a paintbrush or a skewer, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. We'll start with the head of the elephant. Hold the end of a pipe cleaner up against a pencil and wrap the pipe cleaner around in a bundle, one coil right on top of the next. Tuck in the end to keep everything together and remove it from the pencil. To make the body of the elephant, we're going to do the same thing but with a thick marker. Make a bundle from one pipe cleaner and then wrap another pipe cleaner on top. So we're making it a little longer than the head. We're just making a nice thick elephant body. So you've got a total of 3 pipe cleaners wrapped around. It's especially important to tuck in the end of this one so it won't become unraveled. Remove it from the pen and set it aside. Now to make the trunk of the elephant, wrap a pipe cleaner around a skinny handle such as on a paintbrush or a skewer, but this time instead of a bundle you're going to put the coils right next to each other just like you're making a spring. So I've used about half the pipe cleaner here and I'm going to put it up against the head to see if it's the right length. I think I want this one a little bit longer, so I'm going to put it back on my paintbrush and coil it around 2 more times. Slide the head onto the end of the pipe cleaner so that the trunk comes up against the head and you can bend it into shape. Then slide the body part on so it comes up next to the head and make a sharp turn with the end of the tail to keep the body, head, and trunk in place. Cut another pipe cleaner in half. With one of the halves, thread it through a coil on the top of the head, right in the middle. We're going to fold up some ears. So we're going to make an oblong coil. So fold up about 1/4 of an inch and then coil up till you reach the head. Do the same thing for the other side. You'll notice I've made it in kind of a teardrop pattern with the top of the teardrop at the elephant's head. It's going to take a little bit of maneuvering and twisting to get this right, but be patient and you'll get it. Cut the last pipe cleaner in half and use these halves to make the legs. So fold 1/2 so it makes a V and then wrap each end of the V around a pencil, leaving just a little space at the top of the V to make the legs. Insert the legs in between the head and the body of the elephant with the legs facing down. Now repeat the process for the back legs. Fold half a pipe cleaner in half into a V and then roll up each end on a pencil to make the legs. Insert these legs toward the back of the body in between the coils. Cut off a small piece of the remaining pipe cleaner, a little less than 1 inch. Wrap it around the end of the tail. Just hold it against the end with a little sticking out and then wrap it around once. And this will make just the little end of the elephant's tail. The last step is to glue on the eyes, so use a generous amount of thick white craft glue. Set the eyes into place, and when the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.